Hey designers, today we're going to be working on helping you take your jewelry from a chaotic mess to this beautiful treasure chest. You guys are going to want to stick around. Hey you guys, and welcome back, and a huge welcome to those of you that may be new here. I am Deena and you have landed at DeeVine DeeZine. On this channel we do all kinds of fun and crazy things, so I want to encourage you to take a minute to look around. Go to that video tab and take a look at all the different kind of content that we offer here. If you see something that you like, please consider hitting that subscribe button and becoming part of our designer family. And you're going to want to make sure you hit that bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Now come on, let's get on into today's content. For this project, you will need some self-adhesive decorative gems. I picked these gem sheets up at Dollar Tree. You will also need some 1-inch nails, some wood planks. I have chosen to use PVC plank, but you can use regular wood and paint if you choose. You will also need some 2.5 to 3-inch finishing nails, white caulk, a stud finder, a hammer, an awl, a drill, and an adjustable square. To begin this project, it is important to find the studs. This is what is going to give some extra security so that the weight of the jewelry will not pull your wood planks down. Now it's time to line everything up exactly where you want it to be. Start by drilling those pilot holes all the way through your wood plank down into the stud. Again, this is important for security. Once those pilot holes have been drilled, hammer in those 2.5-inch nails. You may opt to use screws instead, whichever is your preference. If you're using the finishing nails like we did, don't forget to punch those all the way through using your awl. In order to know exactly where to place that second piece of plank, hold one of your necklaces up. I chose a distance of 11 1/3 inches, but that is going to vary based on the length of necklaces you have. Don't forget to measure that other end because we do want everything to hang nice and straight. Next up, it's time to measure exactly where we're going to want our decorative nails to hang. This is where we're going to be hanging the jewelry. I chose a distance of 3 inches between each nail. It is very important to find the dead center of your plank because we want all of our nails in a straight line when we put them in there. Go ahead and set that adjustable square to that measurement. This is going to ensure that all of your markings are in the exact center of your wood. To make sure that your nails don't slip around on you, take your awl and give a little punch. Whether you're using wood or PVC, you will notice an indentation. This will help seat the tip of your nail right inside of that little indentation, and when you hammer it in, it's going to stay nice and straight exactly where you want it. Using your caulk, go ahead and fill in all the holes that had been left behind from the finishing nails that went into the studs, and don't forget to wipe it flat. And now we can begin drilling in the pilot holes for all of our decorative nails. We're going to do this the exact same way we did in the first step. Preparing the nail heads is super easy. Simply take one of your self-adhesive gems and align it perfectly on top of that nail head. Look how quick and easy and how elegant that is. Once you slide those into place, they're pretty enough no one will ever know that they were regular old roofing nails. You can choose to glue these into place or you can use screws, which is optional, but I wanted mine to be removable for different ways that I plan to store my jewelry. Now go ahead and start hanging it and have fun organizing. This definitely looks like it cost me way more than it did. I only spent about $12 because I had most of these supplies already at home. I want to thank all of you so very much for watching. I hope you will try this project and I hope it's a lot of fun for you as well. See you soon.